Hi guys, my name's Ellie, welcome to my channel, and today we are doing the update on my Project 18 in 2018. So we've already finished one item entirely and moved it out, so we're just down to the palettes. I do believe I have footage of where I am, so if not, I'm just going to be gesturing to the air and I'm going to look silly. It's fine. So, let's start with Urban Decay Naked Basics. So I was here. And now we are here. So we got a nice big pan there. We've just got the last little bits of Venus to go. I just have to remember to use it to set like under my brow bone because I use it a little bit and you can see it there. It's a nice soft sheen. But I really want to finish it up before the end of the year because I am starting a Project 50 pan and there's a similar product that I want to use instead. But yeah, I think we did a lot more in this than I was expecting, and as we're coming up on the end of the year, I just kind of want to get as much progress as we can. I'm feeling excited and happy and optimistic. For one of my two Pan That palettes, this is my Lorac Pro Matte. It's pretty grungy by now. I was here. And kapow! So I hit side pan on this nice brown shade, and I've been using this to play at night, and I haven't expanded the pan. I really think if I just focus in, I can at least finish this, if not get a lot of this gone by the end of the year. I'd really like, I have a thing. I've decided I want to do a thing. I want to finish this entirely, or as close as I can, and I want to take a picture of it and send it to Lorac and tell him I'm empty. I don't know if it's going to do anything, but I think that would be fun, and I think that would be a good way to draw attention to brands that people are using up their products, that people are panning them, and that maybe they should include one of those two people in their consideration, because a lot of palettes are going out that are nice and fun but really aren't going to be that great all the way through, and I have really liked this. I wish that I'd had more transition shades so that I didn't get stuck just using a brown and a black at the end of the year, but overall this was a really good palette and I really enjoyed using it. And since it's small and compact, I didn't mind having this on my vanity somewhere I can grab it. It does, oh my god, the packaging is just, it's wearing through on spots. It's picking up powder. Like, the packaging does not wear the best. And then, another really dirty, oh, you can't see it as much, but this is also very dirty. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette, Glow Kit. Glow Kit. This is my other Pan That palette for 2018. I was here. And kapow! We hit pan in Blue Ice. And I think I have managed to expand the pan in a couple others, so that will make pan in every one, which is honestly more than I was really expecting to happen. I was really hoping I could finish it. I'm not 100% sure I can finish this before the end of the year, but I hit pan in every shade, twice in Pink Heart because I had to repress it, but I do really like that, and I think I have pros and cons about this palette now, which I was so confident at the beginning of the year that I was like, yeah, I'm going to do this. I'm going to love it the whole way through. These shades are nice, but when you're using them all the time, some of them are redundant. Honestly, Blue Moon, Purple Horseshoe, and Blue Ice all make a really similar effect on the face. They're all pretty, but I don't think you need all three in the same palette. I think you could potentially keep Purple Horseshoe and Blue Ice, because Purple Horseshoe has a touch more purple, but it's still really similar. But I think you could get away with it. I really don't think Star's necessary. It's pretty, but it's very, very cold, and a lot of people don't want something that cool-toned on their face. And I think you can expand Pink Heart and Lucky Clover. These two are my favorite. They're most people's favorite. They're really easy to wear. They don't take a lot of effort to work into a look, which honestly, the more I use them, these three don't take as much to work into a look, but Star it's a choice for the day. And I think, because I've heard whispers that this is being discontinued, I'm really hoping they pull it back, they do a little bit of changing to the layout, and maybe make it 4. Make it something where it's like Lucky Clover, Pink Heart, Blue Moon, and like an orange. because they have an orange in the Aurora palette, which I really like, and I think something like that would bring it in, because then you'd have a blue and a green as the cool tones and a pink and a orange as the warm tones, and you'd have bigger pans of them. I feel like adding 6 colors, it ends up with you doing stuff like this where you have shades that are so similar you don't really need both. Or you're throwing in something like this, which looks good in theory, and it does match the color scheme, but it's not super easy to wear. It's kind of focuses it on a really specific skin tone and type. You have to be very pale and very cool toned for Star to not look ashy. So, I apparently have a lot of opinions, but hit pan, yes! So, I do very much still like this. I am still very happy with duochrome highlighters in general. I don't know if I will repurchase this. I think I'm going to use this being finished as, when it is finished, as an excuse to try more from other brands. Because I've not bought a lot of things because I'm like, well, I have the Moonchild. Like, I don't need that. But when I don't have the Moonchild, I have the option to try different ones. And Clear Now Cosmetics has some really great highlighters that I've tried, and they have a section that is duochromes in this type of style, and I really want to try those. I would like to try more of the NYX duochromatic highlighters, which are also pretty. I have things, and I think having this done and finished and having a good base of using these will allow me to make some good decisions about what to buy and what to test out, and I won't have to be like, well, but I have a dupe, because I won't have a dupe. So, that's where I am. Hopefully this was fun for you guys. Let me know how you're doing. Are you also just very much itching to start the new projects? I just want to start the new projects. I just want to be in 2019 doing the new products. So, I'm trying to calm myself down because I still have things to wrap up, but I'm excited. I think something about getting to the end of the year and having so many empty pans just makes me want to start something that doesn't have pan yet and make one. So, you might have also seen my intro to my Project 50 pan by now, because I already filmed it because I want to do some stuff. I have no chill. So, hopefully this was nice for you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Let me know what you're up to.